This is God Will Make a Way in the Key of C by Henry Smith. And as always, stop the video right now, click on the description of the video, and I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. All right, so this one's very simple. I've kind of stripped it down to the absolute basics, although I will tell you the verse kind of throws you for a loop a little bit because it goes into a different key. But we're not going to get too much into the theory because we want to just play music, right? We don't want to just focus on learning all the things about theory and not playing. Let's get to it. All right, so in the key of C for this song, we have C, F, G, and then we have a D minor for the chorus. In the verse, we have A flat, B flat, E flat, and then they also throw in, let's see, the E minor and the A minor. So don't let that scare you. We're going to break it down into chunks, okay? So let's look at the C chord made up of C to E, G, okay? G chord, G, B, D. F chord, just one down from there, F, A, C. And then let's play the D minor right here, D, F, A, okay? Let's just go through that chunk once for the chorus, and then we'll get into the verse of the song. Let's play single notes in our left hand. So we're gonna play single C note with this C chord. Then we're gonna play G to G in the bass, F, F in the bass, and then D minor. You can just open your thumb up one note here to play the D minor up here with the D in the bass, okay? The rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together is very simple as well. Let's go together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You can kind of follow that pattern pretty much the whole song just to get you going, okay? Let's try that on a G chord. Together, right, F chord, and then a C chord. You can practice through any of those chords just like that, okay? Let's just go through the chorus here. God will make a way, G, where there F, no way, C chord there. He works in ways we cannot see. Here's that D minor. He will make a way, F, G, C, G, hold me, F, C, with F, strength for each new day, D minor, he will make a G, way, F, he will make a C. So that's the chorus, pretty simple. You can go back to the beginning of that if you need some help. Let's just jump into that the verse. So let's look at the chords first of all, and we break it up. A flat is made up of A flat, C, E flat. Then we have B flat, and actually if you look at this A flat, it's kind of like an upside down triangle if you can envision that, okay? Then a B flat is made up of B flat, D, F. Kind of makes this curve line. Okay. Then E flat, let's see here which way I want to go. Okay, then I'm going to play the E flat here. Sorry. I have to figure out which way I'm going to teach it, like I'm going to play it. Okay, so then we're going to play the E flat with E flat, G, B flat. Okay, it makes this upside down triangle as well. And then we have that C, which you can play just back up to that C, E, G. And then an E minor, you could play E, G, B. And then A minor, A, C, E. Okay, let's take a look at that verse. So the first chord they're going to throw at you is A flat, which is made up of A flat, C, E flat. Wilderness is going to be B flat. Heel, back to that A flat. Lead, then E flat. Me, okay. And rivers, A flat. In the desert is B flat again. Desert will I see, C chord there. Okay, and then we're going to drop to the F chord. Heaven, heaven and earth will G fade, but his E minor word will So I'm telling you, there's a lot of theory going on in this song, but we can do it. It's just too small. There's a chorus and a verse. So here's that A, day, back to the G. Okay, so I'm going to go through those chords very simply. By a roadway in the B flat, wilderness hill, A flat, me, E flat, and rivers, A flat, in the B flat, will I see. Back to the F, heaven and earth will, G, but is E minor still re, A minor, F, G to A, G. Kind of funky, pretty fun, okay? All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to this little verse portion if you need a little help with that. Otherwise, I think if you just play it one hand by itself and remove the left hand altogether when you're first learning something new, especially since this song is not just a typical key of C songs. It doesn't just have that C, F, G, A minor, D minor kind of thing, or E minor. It's got a little bit of complexities with the verse, but I believe in you. You can do it. Have a lot of fun. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day, he will make a way. He will make a way. By a roadway in the wilderness, he'll lead me. And rivers in the desert will I see. Heaven and earth will fade, but his word will still remain. He will do something new today. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day, he will make a way. And he will make a way. God will make a way where there seems